Many business owners assume that EL inspection is fully automatic, but this is not the case. Today, we will clarify which processes in the photovoltaic production line's EL inspection must be operated manually. First of all, startup and model changeover must be done manually. Daily startup requires equipment status inspection. When switching between different module specifications, operators need to manually call up corresponding parameters to ensure accurate settings of current and exposure time. Otherwise, the captured EL images will be unusable. Secondly, defective products require manual rechecking. Although AI can automatically identify defects, hidden cracks, broken grid lines, cold soldered joints, and other similar issues still need manual confirmation. This prevents misjudging qualified products as defective and avoids missing actual defects, serving as a critical step for quality control. Thirdly, non-conforming products require manual handling. Modules marked NG after inspection need to be manually removed from the production line, with defect locations clearly marked. Repairable products will be sent for rework, while irreparable ones will be directly scrapped. This process cannot be replaced by machines. Fourthly, equipment abnormalities must be handled manually. Common issues such as poor probe contact, module jamming, and overexposed or underexposed images will trigger alarms, which require manual troubleshooting and resetting to keep the production line running continuously. Lastly, daily maintenance and data statistics are required. Operators need to simply clean the dark box and lenses every day, regularly export inspection reports, and calculate the yield rate to facilitate timely process adjustments. All of these tasks must be completed manually. Apart from the above processes, loading, power connection, image capturing, and AI image judgment are all fully automated. A stable EL inspection equipment can not only boost production efficiency, but also reduce label pressure. For the wall quality inspection, choose Yoha Laser EL testing equipment. It features a high degree of automation and simple manual operation, with clear imaging and accurate image analysis, helping you steadily guarantee module quality.